Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I'm going to be showing you some PR mailers that I've recently been sent from different companies. I do these videos monthly or every other month, as I know you lot like to know what I receive. Now all the products that I'm going to be featured are not under a contract, so I'm not obliged to post. I haven't been paid. There is no conditions for promoting them whatsoever. Brands get in touch with me, ask me if I'd be interested in being on their PR list. So a lot of the time they send me products out of the blue and it's usually new products, new up and coming products they're about to release. So it's really exciting. I absolutely love it. And as always, it's all down to you lot because of you subscribing and following my social media sites. So then obviously brands see me and yeah, it's all down to you. So thank you. So with these products, I'm not going to do like a dedicated overview and tell you the ins and outs of everything. I'm just going to show you what they are, and they've got 5 different mailers here. So starting off then with Anastasia Beverly Hills. Oh, they are such a gorgeous brand. They have sent me 3 of their beauty products. I've been using this for the past couple of days and I love it. This is the Magic Touch Concealer. There's 12 mils here. It is so good. It's quite thick, so you could actually use it on its own. Just apply in certain areas on your face and then you can actually just like buff it out. If you want like a lightweight finish, it is so good. You see my fingerprints on there. What shade have I got here? I've got shade 9. There. So the older I'm getting, I'm realising I don't really like the really bright under eye look. I want to go for something more neutral. I want to brighten the under eye a little bit, but not really dramatically, so that it really stands out to the rest of my face then, you know. And look, I've just blended that in. It's just so nice. It is so nice. But yeah, I just thought I'd tell you a little bit about that. It's really nice. It's like the Tarte Shape Tape of years ago, but a more blendable dewy finish then, I would say. And these two I haven't tried. So this is the Beauty Balm. This is quite new. This is Serum Boosted Skin Tint. And I got it in shade 7. But isn't that smart? That just looks so gorgeous, doesn't it? It's so lovely. I haven't, as I said, I haven't used these yet. So you just twist it up like that. And let's put it on top of the concealer there. Serum Boosted Skin Tint. Oh, it feels so gorgeous. So smooth. And that would be perfect when I have a bit of fake tan on my face. I think that's a little bit on the darker side for me, but I always wear fake tan. It's just I've had my tattoo topped up. I'm not sure if you'll be able to tell, but I've had it topped up. Can you see? So it's more vibrant. It needed topping up a couple of months after I had it, but I never went back. So this is like years later. So anyway, I had that topped up a few days ago, but I can't wear fake tan while it's still healing. That'd be really gorgeous for more natural looking makeup, definitely. And then I've got the Glow Seeker Highlighter. And this is in Sun Idol. It says an illuminating powder with an ultra smooth formula and radiant finish. Look, it's a nice big one. There, so you've got a mirror, and that's what it looks like there. Oh, look at it. It looks so pretty. I'm trying it for the first time on camera. Wow, look at that. Okay, let's see how that blends out. Oh, look. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I didn't think it would blend out then. I was thinking it would stay that, you know, like a block of metallic. Oh, that is really pretty. But yeah, that looks gorgeous. So thank you so much to Anastasia Beverly Hills for sending me these products out. Then on to Living Proof. So this is a new product. This is Perfect Hair Day. It's a high shine gloss, instant shine and smoothness. It's an in-shower treatment. There's 200 mils there. Ooh. So I've got some information here. Are they both the same? No. It says, Dear Claire, introducing the brand new Living Proof Hair Day High Shine Gloss. The silicone-free in-shower clear gloss provides 2 times more shine, smoothness and vibrancy for up to 3 washes. powered by our light enhancing technology, which combines a reflective emollient and an optical brightener, converting non-visible light to visible light. Shampoo and condition hair like normal, remove excess water generously, saturate roots to ends, leave on for 5 minutes and rinse. Oh, right, okay. So it instantly adds shines for up to 3 washes. That sounds really nice. Oh, I wonder what it'd be like on my hair extension here. This retails for £30, so thank you, Living Proof. Then I got a package from Elemis. This is a little bit late, as in what I'm about to show you is not available anymore. Well, it's not available on the TSV. It's QVC, Elemis, TSV, today's special value. Elemis sometimes kindly send me out the bundle of products that are going to be featured on the current QVC today's special value offer, which usually lasts for about a week. But unfortunately, I'm looking over there is just a mess. Bonkers crazy mess. My husband hates it because obviously this is our bedroom. It's just full of beauty boxes and advent calendars. September is a bonkers month for me. Constantly busy, constantly filming, editing. So I didn't get around to showing you these products. Now, as I mentioned at the start, I'm under no obligation at all to post. The brands send these products out to me, and I'm assuming Elemis send these products out to me in the hope that I do post, but there's no contract. They haven't even said, please, can you post and can you do it by this point or whatever. They haven't said that to me at all. So I'm under no obligation. But if it's an offer on that I think would benefit you, then yeah, I would have done like an Instagram post or something to show you. It's just that I've been so busy that I just let it pass. But I just thought I'd show you the type of thing. If you're new to QVC, then the TSVs are really good. Do they have a price here? So this set is worth £247. It says it's yours for £84.96, so you're saving £162. Plus you can pay over 4 payments of £21.24, which are interest free. So I'm really grateful to Elemis to reach out to me and send these to me. So this is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream Hydrating Day Cream. There's 30 mils here. This is a gorgeous cream. I've been using it on and off for years. It just suits my skin really, really nicely and I love it. Then I have got a Superfood Midnight Facial. It's a replenishing sleeping mask. There's 100 mils here. So this is a nighttime mask. So we got a day cream, a night cream. I say we, I know. Does it annoy you when I say that? I'm sorry. Then we got a Pro Collagen Advanced Eye Treatment, Hydrating Eye Serum. And there's 15 mils here. I've used this before and it's really nice. And yeah, I finished it. It's in a little box full of empties, which I've yet to film. And lastly, we've got the Superfood Facial Oil. It's a hydrating face oil, and there's 15 mils there. And again, this is a really nice oil. It absorbs nicely on my skin, doesn't leave it too sticky or tacky. Yeah, I like this one. So yeah, so thank you to Elemis for sending those out to me. Next, I got Lancôme, and this is huge. This is Genifique Ultimate. I've already opened it up and fixed it all together. Look how big that is. Fixed it all together, and I can't open it. It's a refillable. It's the amazing Genifique serum, but in a refillable bottle. And it says, contains iconic 7 pre and probiotics, beta-glucan CM, hyaluronic acid and licorice extract. Appearance to help fine lines and wrinkles, smooths and skin clarity. Yeah, look how big that is. That looks huge, doesn't it? it's huge. The size of my face. Well, not quite, but I just opened it and I can't believe that I didn't know how to do that before. Look. So it's a big empty one there. So it's a reusable one. So I'm assuming you would just buy this then. Or unless this comes apart as well. I can't remember now. I got the serum in there. So thank you to Lancôme for sending that out to me. And lastly, I got a gorgeous package from Space NK. So they got in touch with me a couple of weeks ago and they asked if they could send me some products from my wish list. I accepted their kind offer and I chose 4 products. I could have chosen more, but I didn't want to be greedy. But the products I've chosen are amazing. Oh my gosh, they are amazing. I've got 2 that I love and have bought before. And then I've got 2 new products. So starting off with products that I love and I've bought before. We got Hourglass. Oh, how could I not add an Hourglass product onto my wish list? This is the Ambient Lighting Palette. Now my one, I showed it in a Space NK advent calendar unboxing I did about 2 hours ago. So this is the one I've got. Look how dirty it is. And there. Can you see? So I'm hit and pan. So I love it so much. This is the number 1. So it comes in different shades. I have got the number 2 as well, which I use when I've got fake tan on. Look how nice and clean that looks. If you're familiar with the Hourglass powders, they're finishing powders, and you've got blushes and you've got bronzers as well. So we got dim lit, incandescent light and radiant light. So we've got a mixture here. So you could just apply that on your face if you wanted to, but I go over. So I have Hourglass blushes and Hourglass bronzers, although today I'm wearing a MAC blush on my cheeks, but all the face powders I got are from Hourglass. And then once my makeup is finished, I get a brush and I go back and forth. And then I go over, mainly it's like where I put my bronzer, but it just gives the most gorgeous glow, natural dewy glow to the face, but it's so flattering as well. I am obsessed with this. So I'm so chuffed that they sent it to me. And this Tatcha. I fell in love with this spray in the Space NK advent calendar last year. This is a luminous dewy skin mist, 40 mils. This is just beautiful. Tatcha is such a gorgeous brand. If you had the Space NK advent calendar last year, then you will know how gorgeous this is. Well, if it's for you, it leaves a dewy looking glow to your face. It's very, very fine. It's a very fine mist, which I love. But I just love the way my face looks after I use it. This is one of my favourite facial mists. You might not be able to see because of the lighting in here. Because it's so dark outside, I have to ramp up the lighting. So I might be a little bit washed out. Refreshing and hydrating. You can use it on or over makeup. Yeah, I just love it. I just love it. So I got another one. And then next, I got 2 new products that I wanted to try. First up, we got another Hourglass product. This was influenced by Wayne Goss. I saw his video. I even went for the same colour that he went for. And I thought, no, go out of my team of getting like corally colours and go for a bright pink because it just looks stunning on him. And it's more of a coolie tone as well, which suits me. So this is Unreal Liquid Blush, and I've got it in shade Whim. And yeah, it says shake well before use. And I'm gonna have to watch his video again because I can't remember. Look at the top. Now the only way that comes out is if I really tap hard and just a little bit comes out. Can you see? Or unless it just needs to just move on down a bit. Oh, it's not too bad actually. But I am tapping, so I wouldn't apply that onto my face because I'm literally really tapping quite hard to get it out. Look how much I've got on my hand now. But yeah, see, it blends out really nice. See, it's gorgeous. It's really pretty. Oh, I love it. And then lastly, Vive. This is the Skin Nova Complex Balm. There's 30 mils here. I love Skin Nova. And I was dying to try this. This is in shade 140. Now, I wasn't too sure on the shades, but my skin tone changes due to fake tan. So if it's too dark, then it's fine. I'll just wait until I can put fake tan on my skin again. If it's too light, then I can always put some bronzing drops from somewhere. I've got a few different ones. So this is packed with hydrating and smoothing skincare ingredients. The formula adds radiant customizable coverage for a healthy looking complexion. Oh, I think this shade would be perfect actually. Ooh, for me now. Oh, wow, I didn't expect it to be that coverage. I was expecting it to be a lot more sheer. Oh, wow. Okay, no, that looks promising. It looks absolutely beautiful. This is the first time I've tried this. I've wiped my hands in between applying all these products, so my hand was completely bare before I applied this, just so that you can have a better view. It looks stunning. This could be like my everyday type gorgeous looking skin makeup. And there you go, those are all the products. So a huge thank you to Space NK for sending those out to me. Really chuffed. Oh my gosh, I am so lucky. So lucky. It's so exciting when I receive these. I just can't believe it. I am so chuffed. I know I look a bit different. I'm adding in a last box because I've got a strong feeling I didn't film it, and it was with the pile. It's from Erborian. And so if you're seeing this, you know I didn't film it last time. So Erborian have kindly sent me a box of goodies. It says, hello lovely. Bundled up in this box, you'll find an Erborian redness relief kit to celebrate one of our all-time favourite products, the CC Red Correct, which I love. Is that. If you've not already tried it, CC Red Correct is formulated with green encapsulated pigments that blend seamlessly to immediately neutralise redness. I've done a reel, I believe it should be on, yeah, it's on YouTube as well, but I've also got a reel on Instagram of me trying it and you can see the difference. It's also infused with 2% Centella asiatica, a powerful ingredient in Korean medicine and skincare which is known to help soothe and calm inflammation. We've teamed up with our friends over at Matcha and included everything that you need to make your very own strawberry matcha. Matcha is another renowned ingredient in Asian pharmacopoeia, originated from Japan and is known for its antioxidant properties which help prevent inflammation. Oh, really? I never knew that. Matcha helps with inflammation. Oh, that is one thing I've been struggling with for, oh gosh, I don't know how many years, but every time I have my, is it CRP, this inflammation marker in the body, it's like 9 point something, which isn't good. I'm sure it's to do with me having adenomyosis. Who knows? I haven't got a clue. But no, I really want to reduce my inflammation. Watch as the red jam disappears once mixed with a green matcha. Okay then, let's go through it. They have given me a little kit. So this is gorgeous. As I've said, I've already done a little preview of this. I'm so grateful that they sent me another one. So no, really good. Look, I'll just show you a little bit on my hand there. It comes out green. And then it turns into a beige, but then, you know, it blends nicely into the skin. I suppose if you've got really pale skin, you might find this a little bit too on the beige side, but I just find it looks quite natural on me. So they've given me a whisk. This is so good. It's a little whisk. Oh, that's so good. It's going to be so handy. And they've given me a little pot of jam. Okay. And they've given me matcha, a premium everyday matcha. There's 30 servings in there. Can't think what matcha is like. I'm sure I tried matcha in one of these food subscription boxes and I didn't like it, but that was sweets, so that could be different. But anyway, they've also given me a rose quartz facial roller as well, with the aim of chilling while I'm drinking my matcha. And it's got Erborian on it. Look. Oh, I just love these. Nice and cool. So yeah, really chuffed with that. So thank you so much to Erborian for sending me out this little kit. Please let me know if you've tried any of these products out before. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.